been 5 years this month that I arrived in Portugal. I came to Portugal because I had this deep call from within to kind of take refuge in Mother Nature. I couldn't find fulfillment in the life I was living. Trying to make a career or to have a better house, more entertainment like parties or holidays, etc. And I think I could not really touch yet what I was looking for, but I thought if I would go really simple, back to the basic, live with nature, then it would probably become clearer. So life was showing me a new path. Together with my son, pregnant of my daughter, and with a good friend, I started the search for a new home in Portugal. The path to what would be our new home was just like magic. So pure, so basic, so natural. This was where I wanted to give birth of my second child. We've been setting up this beautiful yurt just in time for the birth. Thank you for watching. With love.